Hi, welcome to Worship Piano US. This channel is all about simple, step-by-step piano tutorials. Here I'll teach you how to play worship music, starting with the basics. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you the most basic things you need to know about your piano. Your piano has 88 keys. And if you notice, there's white keys and black keys. The black keys are grouped in groups of 2 and 3. And this repeats over the entire length of your piano. If you play a key further up on your piano, you have a higher pitch. If you play a key on the lower side of your piano, you have a lower pitch. Each of those keys has a name. And in music, we refer to them as notes. So let's figure out the name of the notes. Now, you don't need to worry because there's not 88 different names for each key. There's actually only 7 notes. And those notes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yep, that's it. So let's figure out where those notes are and why there's only 7. So if you look at the group of 2 black notes here in the center of your piano, below that group, you have a C. This is the middle C. Then this is a D. And this is a E. This is an F. And this is a G. Then after G follows A and B and C. So if we were to start with A, like the alphabet, we would start right here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But in music, we always start with the middle C because it's in the center of your piano. And you'll see later on why that makes even more sense. So now that you know what the notes are called, how come there's 88 keys and only 7 notes? Well, the notes repeat. C, C, C. Now, to know the difference between all these Cs, in music we speak about C1, C2, C3, C4. C1 starts on the bottom. And by the way, your piano starts with an A0, which is A0, then B0, C1, and then C2, C3, C4. C4 is your middle C. Then C5, C6, C7, and C8, which is the last key on your piano. So you have 8 Cs on your piano. So let's recap. What are the names of the notes? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C.